The first night after I installed the Thanos, a mouse showed up. It had a sniff around but did not take the bait. And then, nothing. For a couple of nights there was zero activity around the trap. Maybe the bait I used was not appealing enough? I added a piece of kebab meat, and that caught their interest. For a few nights in a row, both mice and a rat showed up and took great interest in the smell coming from the trap. Unfortunately, they tried to access the bait from above instead of from below. And hence, the Thanos MK47 caught nothing. I covered the lid to the bait with duct tape, thinking that it might force them to try to find the correct entrance. I also moved the camera to get a better view of the general area outside the shed. As an extra measure, I once again baited the cheap trap from the dollar store and built a simple cover for it to protect Melker the cat. I placed that just outside the door to the shed, and waited. And yes, the big rat did show up a few times, but it took no interest in either trap. I also found out that Melker the cat inspects the area multiple times daily, which probably is not ideal from the trap's perspective. I guess the reason the mice and rats were so active earlier was because we were away on holiday for a week and Melker the cat was at the cat hotel, leaving the rodents free to roam safely around the backyard. This leaves me with no other option than to move the camera and the trap inside the shed. More about that in part 3.